What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and it's time for us to pick a winner for this contest. It's been running long enough. We've been here before. We're going to make it short and sweet. We're back at that comment picker, and so we're just going to load the URL of the video in there, hit load comments, and so we have 134 comments. And so let's go down here and hit the randomly pick a winner button. Frank Barajas. I'm butchering his name. And he said the gizzard flies or strikes again. I never win anything ever, but there's always that one chance. Sign me up, Frequent Flyer. Laughing out loud. One comment. So it looks like Frank is going to win it. Now, Frank has been active in the comments for some time now, so I'll skip going through all the thousands of subscribers on the Frequent Flyer RC channel. So we're just going to check this Chop Shop channel. And there he is there. So we have Frank on the Frequent Flyers Chop Shop channel, and he's our winner. So congratulations to Frank. Frank wins this, the gizzard. And I'll have a Chop Shop episode of this coming up, adding a Run Cam Micro Swift to it, and I'll try to make sure to have other giveaways for you guys. So smash the like button if you like that idea, and thanks for watching. Congratulations, Frank.